keys to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What a going, guys, welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours. And today we're going to be heading to WH Car Services or Car Care, and this is the Chinese car service that is taking over Jamaica like a storm. These new garages, this is one of that's in Kingston. There are several others that have been coming up and taking over Jamaica due to their cheap and reliable service, quick service as well, that is outcompeting the other mechanics here in Jamaica. So we're going to be heading there, so if you want to stay tuned to see the location, so when they're open back again, because they're currently closed, you can find it. So now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy the ride. So we are currently heading out of Kingston, so as in we're currently on the Mandela Highway, and we're going to be heading, the journey is not far, probably 3 minutes drive out. We're going to be heading over to our right hand side as we into this new commercial, industrial commercial area that is being developed. There are a lot of new companies, are moving their locations or their offices to this part. So this is on our right hand side here. So for us to get there, we do have to drive and then go up the bridge. So we'll be doing that shortly. So now we're heading up the bridge to cross over to that side of the road. And so this is the only way, if you head on to Mandela, you need to take a U-turn. This is how you do it. So we go up this bridge here, and then we turn right. We head over to the other side. Once we're over this side, to our left hand side is the commercial, industrial commercial area that you see here. So Tropical Batteries over there, as well as ETL, their impound lot where their cars are stored until they are ready to clear for duty and will be handed over to customers. So all their cars are located over here. And there's Nestle, there's a few call centers, there's a lot of companies that are over to this side. So we'll be heading there. So after passing this, we're going to take the first left hand turn that will bring us into the area. Then once we take the left hand turn here, we will then take another left at this roundabout that is coming up, and then we head straight there. So on our right, I don't know what is being built on our right here, but a lot of the Chinese that are building, actually. Not sure what exactly is being built on both sides, on the left and the right. As I said, a lot of business are moving their offices out here, or trying to relocate their office to this area to build it up. So we're heading here, and if you look straight ahead, and you'll see the location of the car service. So the car service, they're offering reliable repairs and a fast turnaround time, and they're opening several different companies. So this is just one of them. There's another one that is in Ochi I hear about. Another one at another location. Not this company per se, but companies that are owned by Chinese are doing the same thing. So as you can see on the right hand side, WH Car Services, and there's a lot of cars over there still, but as you can see, the gate is closed, and there are some signs that are on it that say that they're currently closed until further notice. This is the end of the street, and as you can see, Tropical Batteries head office is over there. So we take a U-turn around, and then we're heading back out. So if you like the video, guys, comment, hit the like button and subscribe, and tell me where else you want to see. I'm trying to do different videos, different things, and I'm trying to use this new camera where you actually kind of see what I'm seeing, as well as the fixed dash cam that you're seeing straight ahead. So tell me if you like that, and where else do you want to go? Let me know in the comments below.